Hi everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the FSA Mathematics Practice Test questions. So these questions, they can be found on the Florida Department of Education website. If you just do a little Google search and type FSA Math Practice Test for 4th grade, hopefully this should come up. But this video is just meant to just kind of help students if they get stuck on a question, they're not sure how to answer it, just kind of walk them through and just kind of go through the process of answering. So I'll start by reading it. In social studies class, Armando learned about the state of Nevada. He drew the picture shown to represent the shape of Nevada. And so which list below correctly describes the kinds of angles that appear to be inside the shape above? And so they're referring to the angles inside the shape. It's where the vertices are found or the line segments just connect. And so it's right here at these points of intersection. So each of these are called angles. And so they want us to correctly identify those angles. So right here we have an acute angle. That's an angle that's less than 90 degrees. And then here we have a right angle. That's an angle that's exactly 90 degrees. And we also have another right angle. So that's two right angles. And then this one right here is an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees, but it's less than 180 degrees. So we're just trying to find which one then is listed here. And so it's not A. And so it looks like it's B here. We have one acute angle, one obtuse angle, and then two right angle. So you just go ahead and bubble that in. Remember, if you don't think the answer is correct, don't put an X on the bubble. Don't even cross it out, because then the person that's scoring it or the machine that scores it will think that you're putting that as an answer. So just leave it blank. If you want to put a mark to indicate it's not your answer for yourself, you can just put it all the way to the right side away from the bubble, and that should help, okay? Well, thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q. I hope this helps.